Ryan has a bias 6-sided die. The die can land on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. The probability that the die will land on a 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6 is given by this table. So this is called a probability table, but we've got one missing here. It says A, work out the probability that the die will land on 5, the missing value. Sarah is going to throw the die 120 times. How many times can she expect the die to land on 2? Okay, so we've got a missing value here, but that's quite easy to find because all these numbers here must add up to 1. So the probability of landing on a 5 will be 1. That's the total of all the probabilities on a probability table. Remember, probabilities are always between 0 and 1 inclusive. Take away 0.2, 0.15, 0.05, 0.1 and 0.25. So we work that out on our calculator. We're going to get 0.25 as the answer. Right, now how many times can we expect the die to land on a 2 if we throw it 120 times? This is called expectation. So the expected number of times will be the number of throws, which is 120, times the probability of landing on a 2, which is 0.15, which will give me an answer of 18 times. So this has been a video showing how to use probability on a probability table. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.